Dear friends, if someone told you that black beans are not actually the #1 kidney savior, but only rank behind many familiar root vegetables right in your own kitchen, would you believe it? It may sound surprising, but both traditional Eastern medicine and modern science have confirmed this. And especially, the last root on today's list has the ability to reduce nighttime urination, stabilize blood pressure, and even slow down premature graying of hair, something few people expect. In this video, our channel will share with you 7 superior kidney strengthening roots, arranged in order from the strongest to the lighter ones. Please watch until the end, because in the last part I'll summarize how to use them safely and effectively. Right finger before diving into the main content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our latest videos. Every video I bring to you is intended to be a close, easy to understand companion, helping you care for your health in the most natural and safest way. If you've ever tried any of these roots, or if you have questions you'd like to learn more about, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to respond and walk with you, day by day, to maintain strong, lasting health. I wish you good health, peace of mind, and a long, joyful life with your loved ones. Dear friends, the very first root I want to share today is yam, also known as Dioscorea opposita. In traditional medicine, this is considered the king of kidney nourishing roots. Because its benefits go far beyond simply replenishing the body, it penetrates deeply to nourish and protect the kidneys from within. Modern scientists have discovered in yam a valuable compound called Dioscorea. This substance helps stabilize blood sugar, lower blood fat, and improve circulation, thereby reducing the burden on the kidneys. At the same time, Dioscorea has strong antioxidant effects, preventing cellular aging and keeping kidney function resilient over time. Not only that, yam also contains plenty of mucin, saponins, vitamins, and minerals, all working together like a protective shield for the kidneys against daily stress. In practice, older adults who consistently use yam often notice positive changes: fewer nighttime bathroom trips, deeper sleep, better digestion, and a lighter, healthier spirit. In my hometown, many families slice yam and steam it before dipping in honey, a dish that's sweet, nutty, and easy for the elderly to enjoy. Some prefer drying the yam, grinding it into fine powder, and mixing it with warm water daily, a convenient way to store and steadily absorb its nutrients. Others enjoy roasting yam over glowing charcoal, while the skin may char. The inside stays soft and fragrant, warming the stomach, aiding digestion, and supporting kidney health. The second root I want to share with you is kudzu root, which folk tradition often calls the miracle tonic for kidney yin. While yam is more about replenishing qi, kudzu stands out for its ability to nourish yin, cool the body, and strengthen the kidneys from within, bringing balance to the whole system. Modern research shows that kudzu root contains a valuable group of compounds called natural isoflavones. These compounds help lower blood sugar, dilate blood vessels, and increase blood flow to the kidneys. As a result, the kidneys receive better nutrition, feel less strain, and function more efficiently, especially for people at risk of diabetes-related kidney complications. Kudzu root is truly an indispensable ally. There are many ways to use kudzu root. In many households, people mix kudzu starch with warm water to drink daily. It cools the liver and supports the kidneys. Some prefer slicing fresh kudzu root to steep in tea. The taste is mildly sweet, aromatic, and easy to drink. Creative home cooks often chop kudzu root into chunks and simmer it with pork bones or chicken. The broth becomes refreshing, nourishing, and suitable for both the elderly and children. However, I must remind you of one important point: kudzu root is naturally cooling. If consumed in excess, especially by those with a weak stomach, it may cause cold abdomen or diarrhea. That's why it's best to use it only 2 to 3 times per week, in moderate amounts. so your body can absorb the benefits without negative side effects. We can say that kudzu root is not just a summer cooling drink, but also a treasured folk remedy, an unseen companion that protects your kidneys and long-term health. Warning: that said, please note, not everyone should consume kudzu root. People with low blood pressure, or those prone to diarrhea and cold stomachs, should avoid taking too much, as its cooling nature may worsen their condition. Pregnant women in the first trimester should also be cautious. If they want to use it, they should consult a doctor first. And one more important thing: if you are currently on medication for diabetes or hypertension, consult your physician, since taking too much kudzu at once may cause blood sugar to drop too quickly. The third root on our list is wild yam. This is a familiar root often found growing wild along fences and ponds in the northern countryside of Vietnam. Despite its humble look, wild yam is highly valued in traditional medicine, not only for its kidney-nourishing effects, but also for strengthening the spleen and supporting healthy digestion. Modern science has shown that wild yam contains abundant mucin, proteins, carbohydrates, along with B vitamins, vitamin C and a variety of minerals. These nutrients help reduce waste in the blood, protect blood vessels, prevent kidney inflammation, and support smoother digestion, thereby easing the burden on the urinary system. For this reason, wild yam is considered a natural shield that keeps the kidneys strong and resilient. In real life, older adults who regularly eat wild yam often notice significant improvements, feeling lighter, less fatigued, better digestion, and most importantly, fewer symptoms of nighttime urination or frequent urination. The ways to prepare it are simple. Some people boil wild yam and dip it in sesame salt. The taste is nutty, slightly sweet, and easy to digest. Others prefer simmering wild yam with black chicken or cooking it into soups with pork bones, resulting in rich, nourishing dishes that replenish energy and strengthen the kidneys. Warning: a small reminder: wild yam isn't for everyone. People with weak stomachs, prone to bloating or indigestion, should consume it in moderation rather than in large amounts at once. Those with severe constipation should also be cautious, as too much wild yam may worsen the condition. And of course, anyone allergic to root vegetables should avoid it. Dear friends, the next root on our list is lotus root. For generations, lotus root has not only been a familiar dish in Vietnamese meals but also a highly valued medicinal ingredient in traditional medicine. With its sweet taste and neutral nature, lotus root is known to clear heat, enrich the blood, nourish yin, cool the kidneys, and reduce urinary tract inflammation. Modern science confirms that lotus root is rich in vitamin C antioxidant polyphenols, soluble fiber, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. These components help improve blood circulation, stabilize blood pressure, lower blood lipids, and boost immunity, thereby indirectly reducing stress on the kidneys. The fiber also supports digestion and helps the body eliminate toxins more gently, giving the kidneys a much-needed rest. In practice, people suffering from anemia, fatigue, or dizziness often experience improved health when consuming lotus root regularly. Better energy, healthier skin tone, and more restful sleep. In many families, lotus root is cooked into refreshing lotus seed and lotus root sweet soup, which is both delicious and nourishing. Others enjoy simmering lotus root with pork bones or chicken, creating a sweet, mild soup that strengthens the blood and kidneys. Some even press fresh lotus root juice, mix it with honey, and drink it as a cooling tonic that supports kidney health. Warning: that said, here are some precautions. Because lotus root is naturally cooling, people who often suffer from diarrhea, cold stomach, or women who have just given birth and not yet recovered should avoid consuming too much. Those with low blood pressure should also use it in moderation to prevent dizziness. Dear friends, the next root on our list is white radish. a vegetable many people fondly call the ginseng of winter. It has earned this nickname because white radish is sweet, cooling in nature, and has the ability to clear heat, detoxify, promote urination, and, most importantly, reduce the burden on the kidneys by helping them flush out waste more efficiently. Modern medicine shows that white radish is packed with vitamin C fiber, antioxidant flavonoids, and minerals such as potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. These nutrients help lower blood pressure, reduce uric acid levels, and prevent gout and kidney stones. At the same time, the fiber supports digestion, cleanses the intestines, and reduces strain on the kidneys during detoxification. In daily meals, white radish is simple to prepare. Many people enjoy making soups with pork bones or beef, which come out light, refreshing, and easy on the stomach. Others prefer juicing fresh radish, sometimes adding a little honey to drink for kidney and liver cooling benefits. White radish can also be stir-fried or stewed with other vegetables, creating dishes that are both tasty and health-supportive. Warning: that said, a reminder, because white radish is naturally cooling, people with weak stomachs, frequent diarrhea, or women who have not fully recovered after childbirth should avoid consuming too much. Those with low blood pressure should also take it in moderation. And importantly, if you are taking thyroid medication, limit your intake of white radish since it may interfere with the body's absorption of iodine. The next root is turmeric a familiar spice in every Vietnamese kitchen, yet also a highly treasured medicinal herb that traditional medicine has used for centuries. Turmeric is slightly bitter, warming in nature, and works on both the liver and kidneys to detoxify, reduce inflammation, protect cells, and repair internal damage. Its most remarkable component is curcumin, a compound renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Modern medical studies confirm that curcumin helps prevent chronic kidney inflammation, reduce oxidative stress damage, lower blood lipids, and stabilize blood sugar and blood pressure all of which are key factors in protecting kidney health. In real life, turmeric is prepared in many familiar ways. Some people make warm turmeric milk to drink at night, which not only promotes better sleep but also supports kidney health. Others use turmeric in braised fish or meat dishes, adding aroma and aiding digestion. In certain families, chicken soup simmered with turmeric is a go-to recipe, offering nourishment and recovery benefits, especially valuable for the elderly or those recovering from illness. Warning still, please keep in mind, turmeric isn't suitable for everyone. Those with gallstones, bile duct obstruction, or severe stomach ulcers should avoid taking too much, as it may worsen their condition. If you are on blood-thinning medication, consult your doctor before consuming turmeric regularly, since it can interfere with blood clotting. And while turmeric is beneficial, overuse can cause liver heat and digestive upset, so the best approach is moderation, about 2 to 3 times per week. In short, turmeric is a dual-purpose remedy, both a humble kitchen spice and a precious medicinal herb. When used correctly, it becomes a powerful ally that protects the kidneys, reduces inflammation, and helps maintain long-term health. Dear friends, the final root on today's list is sweet potato a humble, familiar food in every Vietnamese household. Many people think of it only as a hunger-filling staple, but in reality, it offers a wealth of health benefits, especially for older adults who want to protect kidney function. Sweet potatoes are rich in soluble fiber, antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like potassium and manganese. These nutrients help stabilize blood sugar, support digestion, lower cholesterol, and reduce inflammation, thereby easing the burden on the kidneys. Research also shows that the antioxidants in sweet potatoes can protect cells from damage, safeguard the tiny blood vessels inside the kidneys, and improve the body's detoxification process. In traditional diets, sweet potatoes are prepared in many tasty and simple ways. People often boil them for breakfast, which is light on the stomach and good for digestion. Some families prefer to roast sweet potatoes over charcoal, which produces a sweet, fragrant, chewy flavor, perfect for cold days. Sweet potatoes can also be cooked into soups with other vegetables or even made into sweet potato cakes, offering both nourishment and enjoyment. Warning still, here's something important to remember. Sweet potatoes contain a high amount of potassium. For people with mild kidney issues, eating them in moderation is beneficial, but for those with advanced kidney disease or high potassium levels, consuming too much may lead to irregular heartbeat and even dangerous complications. Also, people with weak stomachs or prone to bloating should eat moderate amounts, preferably paired with leafy greens or enough water to aid digestion. So, while sweet potatoes may be simple, they carry remarkable value, not only nourishing overall health but also supporting kidney protection when used properly. The key is moderation. ***2 to 3 times per week. Rotating with other roots from this list, for comprehensive and lasting benefits. Dear friends, beyond these 7 valuable kidney-friendly roots, long-term kidney health also depends on building daily lifestyle habits. These are the keys that allow the kidneys to rest and recover. First, drink enough water. Aim for about 1.5 to 2 liters of warm water per day, divided into small portions throughout the day, rather than drinking too much at once, which could overload the kidneys. Second, sleep early and get enough rest. From 10 p.m. onward, the kidneys enter their recovery phase. Staying up late forces them to keep working, which over time can weaken them. Third, eat lightly and reduce salt intake. Limiting salty foods like pickled vegetables, dried fish, or fermented sauces. High salt intake raises blood pressure and places heavy stress on the kidneys. And finally, maintain a positive mindset and move your body daily. Even simple activities like walking slowly, practicing gentle exercises, or deep breathing outdoors improve circulation and give the kidneys the nourishment they need. Dear friends, we have now explored **7 traditional roots that are superior for kidney health, far more effective than the commonly known black beans. If you use them wisely, rotate them **2 to 3 times per week, and combine them with healthy daily habits, you will surely notice real improvements: less nighttime urination, more stable blood pressure and blood sugar, slower kidney aging, and an overall healthier, more joyful body. That said, let me remind you of something crucial. These roots are supportive foods, meant to prevent and assist in improving kidney function. They cannot replace prescribed medical treatment. For anyone with underlying conditions or currently taking specific medication, it's best to consult a doctor before applying these remedies. Right finger if you found today's video helpful. Don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family, so that more people can protect their health. Also, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment below *. Your support motivates me to create more useful content and walk alongside you on the journey to long-lasting health. Finally, I send you my most heartfelt wish. May you always enjoy strong health, peace of mind, and a joyful old age surrounded by your loved ones. Thank you, and see you again in the next video.